what is IVF? IVF is a method to give babies to the couples who are not able to have babies normally, naturally. Okay, IVF का फुल फॉर्म होता है इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन, जिसमें हम प्रेगनेंसी को हम अपनी मेडिसिन और इंजेक्शंस के द्वारा पेशेंट को हेल्प करके बेबी बना के प्रेगनेंसी कराते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड IVF. IVF is required in those couples who cannot have their babies naturally. The most common जो सिनेरियो होता है जिसमें हमें IVF, IUI, ICSI की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, 50 to 60% IVF requirements are required in unexplained infertile patients. जिनमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं मिलती है वही पेशेंट्स को हम IVF करते हैं, नॉर्मल ट्राई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. ICSI हम मोस्टली उन पेशेंट्स में करते हैं जिनके हस्बैंड्स में कोई टेस्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम होती है, जिसमें स्पर्म काउंट्स या फिर स्पर्म मोटिलिटी कम होती है. IUI इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ इंट्रायूट्राइन इंसेमिनेशन, जिसमें हम सीमेन को प्रोसेस करके इंट्रायूट्रल आर्टिफिशियल इंसेमिनेशन करते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड IUI. Those are required in some patients having decreased motility or decreased sperm counts. So it is depending on the patients, we have to decide what we can offer them. ICSI का फुल फॉर्म होता है इंट्रासाइटोप्लाज्मिक स्पर्म इंजेक्शन. So those are a method of doing IVF with the help of ICSI, in which the sperm are directly injected inside the embryo. That is called ICSI. In IVF we do only embryos are produced by having an ovum and the sperms inside the petri dish. That is made in the labs. Typically mostly unexplained infertile patient, as I already explained, those patients go for IVF. The cost of IVF varies from different centers to different center, but minimum cost around for IVF is between 1.5 to 2 lakhs. It is not much varying in this thing because of the issues associated with the medicines we have to give to the patients for making the oocytes and for processing and everything. For the required tests in every couples are different. For medicines we are giving in every patient is different. So that's why the cost differentiate. And sometimes we need ICSI also, as I explained earlier. In some patients we need donor oocytes also. Donor oocyte in the sense we get the oocytes from other women. The cost varies up to 4 to 5 lakhs also. Average cost of any injection in IVF we are using ranges from 500 to 10,000. So we have to decide which injection we have to give to the patient. According to the patient we have to decide. So that's why the cost of injections also varies in different patients. Surgeries are required before doing IVF, like laparoscopic cystectomy, laparoscopic hydrosalpingo drainage, laparoscopic salpingectomies. These are the conditions that require surgeries before IVF, because the patients undergoing IVF should not be having any other comorbid conditions along with that, because that will create problem in doing IVFs and become a negative effect on the growing embryo. After doing any IVF, so many patients ask, is it 100%? IVF is 100% successful? The answer is no. Success rate of any IVF is between 40 to 60%. All IVFs are not successful. It depends on so many factors, because in IVF we are putting an embryo formed and we are putting inside the uterus, but still the embryo will grow to the 9 months, and what will happen to the embryo, it is not in our hands. So there are so many factors. You have to contact your doctor, then they will tell you more about the IVF failures. काफ़ी सारे पेशेंट हमसे पूछते हैं कि क्या मिथ्स हैं एसोसिएटेड विद IVF, जो हमसे पूछे जाते हैं कि हमारे तो सारे रिपोर्ट्स नॉर्मल हैं, क्या तब भी हमें IVF कराने की ज़रूरत है? तो ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप प्रेगनेंसी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो हमें IVF की तरफ जाना चाहिए. दूसरा चीज़ है कि डोनर oocyte क्या होता है, हम स्पर्म किसी और का नहीं ले सकते हैं. सो मैनी मिथ्स आर अवेलेबल कि वो हमारा बच्चा नहीं होगा, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सो मैनी मिथ्स आर अवेलेबल, बट आपको डॉक्टर से अपनी सारी क्वेरीज़ को क्लियर करना है. डॉक्टर से आके मिलिए और IVF के रिगार्डिंग में सारी बातें जानिए.